Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel Tech It Simple everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can use TikTok on your PC. So there is going to be the browser version of TikTok, and there is going to be like the downloaded version of TikTok, and I'm going to be showing you the both way and how we guys can use them. Just don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech It Simple for future videos just like this. Let's move on for the browser version. You just want to write dot dicta. Once you search for addict.doc, you want to click on Make Your Date TikTok over here. It's going to take you to www.tiktok.com. Once you're over here, you need to log into your account. You can also use TikTok without logging into your account. But if you log into your account, you can interact, like you can like the video. And if you like this person, you can follow them by clicking on follow over here. You can also click on this little button to comment on their posts, right? But if you don't sign into your account, you can only watch videos. You can do anything more than that. You can also check your account out by clicking on your profile picture and click on view profile to see all of the posts that you have uploaded. As well as you can also check your live videos history over here. And if you want to see like people who are going live, you can click on live over here as well to check people going out live. So yeah, that's basically how we guys can use the browser version of TikTok. And for the another downloaded version, what you can do is go under Microsoft Store. Once you go under Microsoft Store over here, what you want to do is at the top of the screen where it says search, you want to search for TikTok over here, right? So you want to write TikTok once you search for TikTok. Basically there's going to be a TikTok app for like your PC. What you can do is download it. So over here is going to be a download option should appear over here. So wait for some time. So over here, as you guys can see installed, once you click on install, it'll start to download. Once it's downloaded, you just need to open it, and the interface is going to be as similar to this over here. It's just going to be on like app version. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how we guys can use TikTok on your PC, the both downloaded version, and like the website version. But I don't think you need to download the TikTok because all of the feature which is available in this downloading version of TikTok, it's also going to be available in the browser version. It's simply the browser version of TikTok, which TikTok just made it an app, alright, so you don't have to, but if you want to you can. If you guys found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Tech It Simple. See you guys next time. Bye bye.